Have you ever had a potential customer visit your website, ask a question, and leave before anyone on your team could respond? Maybe it happened while you were in a meeting. Maybe it was after business hours. Or maybe your team was just too busy handling other customers. The problem is simple. People expect answers immediately. If they don't get them, they move on to your competitor. And every delayed response could mean a lost sale, missed appointment, or missed opportunity. What if your website could answer questions instantly, qualify leads, and even book appointments directly into your calendar, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI booking agent that lives on your website, talks to your visitors, answers questions about your business, and schedules meetings automatically. The best part? We'll build the entire thing for free with N8N. Before we build, I want to make one thing clear. A lot of people over-engineer this kind of chatbot. They want their work to appear more complicated than it actually is. We won't do that. So what we're building today is lean and intentional. We will build an AI that knows your product and business, can check your calendar, and books meetings on your behalf. That's it. But it will do everything you need from a highly functional chatbot. Let's get started. Before we jump into the setup, I spend a lot of time figuring out these AI workflows. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. All right, let's jump into it. All right, open up N8N. I am using the self-hosted version, so I don't have to pay any fee. If you want to set up your own self-hosted version, we can help. Check the link in the description. All right, let's start a new workflow. Click Add First Step, search for agent. Select the AI agent node. This is the brain of the whole operation. Now, inside the agent, the first thing we need to configure is the chat model. Click on it. Search for OpenRouter chat model. We will use a free AI model from OpenRouter. We need to set up our OpenRouter credentials here. We need an API key. Go to openrouter.ai, sign in using your Google account, or create a new account. Click on Get API Key. Create a new key. Give it a name. Then create. Copy the API key. Now paste inside. Now save. It has been set up. We need to choose a model. If you type free, you will see all the free models OpenRouter offers. I will use GPTOSS 120B for this. It's fast, free, and more than capable for a business chatbot. Next, under Memory, select Simple Memory. Set the context window length to about 10. This means the agent will remember the last 10 messages in a conversation. This is plenty for a booking flow. At this point, you can already test it. Hit the chat button in the bottom right. Say something like, "Hey, what can you help me with?" You'll get a response. It works. It's just a blank AI right now. We'll give it a personality in a moment. Let's make things interesting now. Go back to the When Chat Message Received trigger node at the start of your workflow. You'll see an option called Make Chat Publicly Available. Toggle that on. Now switch the mode from hosted chat to embedded chat. That means we can embed this chat into our website. Open this link here to see how we can embed it. Scroll down, and you'll see a section called CDN Embed. This gives you a small snippet of HTML code. Copy it. This is the code we have to add to our website to add the chatbot. This snippet works on literally any website. WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Squarespace, custom coded, doesn't matter. All you have to do is paste it in and replace the webhook URL with yours. Depending on your platform, this might be in your site settings, a custom code block, or a header/footer inject. If you are not sure where to paste it, ask AI, or let me know in the comments section. I have a WordPress website here. I have this code snippet plugin that allows me to add any code to my website. I'm going to paste the code here. We have to update the webhook here. Go back to our settings. I will copy this chat URL. Paste it here. Now I am going to save. Then activate the code. Now I will have to publish the workflow. Let's open the website. And just like that, you have a live AI chat widget on your website. We've set up two-way communication. But right now the agent is generic. Let's give it a brain. Go back to N8N. Double-click on the AI agent. Currently, we are using an OpenAI model. This is a generic model that OpenAI created, so we need to give it info about our business. We need to tell it how it should behave. It should act as our website's chatbot, not a general-purpose chatbot. So we will give it a system prompt. Click on Add option. Select System Message. Switch it to expression mode. I will copy this prompt. You will find a link to this prompt in the video description. You can customize this prompt so that it fits your business. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. I will paste it here. Let's see what the prompt does. Part 1 is identity. It tells the AI who it is and what company it works for. Includes the current date and the agent's name. Part 2 is business context. Give it the key facts about your business. What you do, pricing, turnaround times, notable clients or achievements, team info. For most small businesses, this is enough. The rest is instructions, rules, and boundaries. This is where you define how the chatbot should behave. This combination of identity, context, and rules gives you a reliable, on-brand agent. Feel free to edit this however you want. Now we need to add some tools. I will add Google Calendar so the agent can actually do something useful and book a meeting for us. We can make it do anything. Add an item to CRM, connect to a real person, etc. But we will add booking functionality here. Click Add Tool. Search for Google Calendar. Select it. We will add a total of 2 Google Calendar tools. One will check if we have free time in our calendar. The other will add the booking. This one will check if we have free time at the time and day the user wants to book a meeting with me. We need to add our Google Calendar credentials. I already have it set up. Click on the pencil icon. You will find the tutorial for how to do that here. They have a step-by-step process, so you shouldn't face any problem. After you are done, paste the client ID and secret here. Set the operation to Get Many. Now, select the calendar you want to check. Set the limit to 10. You won't have more than 10 meetings in a day. For the after date and before date fields, we need to set up the specific time the AI will search in our calendar. I will use this code here. And this here. This tells the agent to figure out the date range based on the conversation. Click on Option, choose Time Zone. Now set your time zone to match yours. This is really important. Otherwise, your workflow will mess up. You will find people booking meetings with you at random times. We are done here. We will add another Google Calendar tool. This time, we will choose the Create operation. I will choose the same calendar. We need to set start date. I will also set end date. I will also add a summary. So when the AI add a meeting, it will include some sort of summary from the chat log. This way, we will have some idea what the meeting is going to be about. Finally, I will add attendees. I will add my email. I will also add the user email as the other attendee. Let's test the whole thing end to end. I will publish the workflow. Let's open the website again. I am seeing a problem here. The chatbot is introducing itself as Nathan. Let's change it first. Go back to the workflow. Open that code link again. You will find this code. It will allow us to edit the chat window. I will copy the full code. Then I will paste it into our website. I will replace this part. We need to add the webhook again. Here we can change the opening message. And if you want to change this text, you can do it from here. I will update the code. It has been changed. I'll type, "Hi, I'm interested in learning about your product." The agent responds with information from your system prompt. Now, let's ask it to book a meeting. Say something like, "Can I book a 30-minute call sometime this week?" Watch what happens. It asks for your name, email, and preferred time. I will give it a time slot. It checks your calendar, and it has booked a time in my calendar. If there is no free time slot, it will offer alternatives. And that's it. A working AI agent on your website branded to your business. This took us about 10 minutes. See how easy it is to level up your business operations with AI? If you want to go deeper, adding a CRM integration, connecting it to a knowledge base, or handling more complex booking logic, let me know in the comments. I will help you figure them out. If you want to go deeper and get even more out of AI for your business, I've got another video you'll love. Check it out right here.